to our system is a precision engineered turntable, ensuring secure and stable positioning of the job during welding. A robust MS fabricated XY slide provides solid support, housing both the wire spool and internal diameter torch, optimized for the 3G welding position. The system features advanced AVC technology, ensuring consistently smooth weld quality by automatically maintaining optimal torch to workpiece distance. Our TIG power source combined with an intuitive PLC and interactive HMI control panel allows operators precise management of rotation speed and AVC parameters and power source settings. Additionally, the system includes a current pulsing feature, fully adjustable directly from the HMI.